Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix NatWest app login issues or unable to connect error. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to fix NatWest app login issues or unable to connect error, first what you need to do is check your internet connection. To do is simply drop down your toolbar from the top and then simply tap on the Wi-Fi connection, and then what you here can do is just simply check if your Wi-Fi is connecting properly or not. If it's not working properly, simply select it and change the Wi-Fi, and if that doesn't work as well, simply switch it to the mobile data and try loading a website in your browser to see if the internet is stable. Poor connection often causes login errors as well. If that doesn't work, then what you can do is simply head over back to your home screen, then swipe to the middle and then simply close the application all the way, and then open up the application once again and try again. If that doesn't work, the next step that you can use is simply head over back to your home screen and open up your app store. Then on the search bar type in NatWest mobile banking, and then once inside, simply tap on the app and check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that you are facing, so just simply updating the app to the latest version will fix the issue. But if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is simply head over back and then open up your settings. Once you're inside your settings, scroll down and then tap on general. Inside general, tap on iPhone storage, and once you're inside your iPhone storage, what you need to do is scroll all the way down until you find the NatWest mobile bank application. And once you find it, simply tap on the app and then you'll find an option that says offload app. Simply tap on that and that will clear the cache which is causing the issues that you are facing. And once the process has been complete, all you gotta do is try again and that will fix the issue. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. I hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.